Hi, I'm James Shillinglaw. I'm here with Stephan Interthal, who is the general manager of the Kempinski Corvinus Budapest. And we've been here before, and I've interviewed Stephan before, but we thought we'd come back for another visit to get an update on the hotel here in Budapest, which is just really thriving these days. And this is Insider Travel Report. Stephan, we actually, last time we interviewed, we actually were in Las Vegas together.
In Las Vegas, yeah.
That's right. And then I came over here to visit the hotel, and it was a beautiful hotel, and we're back here. So let's get an update on exactly what's going on with the hotel today. Talk about the room product, because we are staying in another renovated room that you've put in, right?
Well, you are staying in a junior suite. You're probably the first guest after the renovation. We just finished the room and the fourth floor actually around about 5 days ago, and we had a hard time to get it ready because at the moment we're running.
Thank you for speeding it up.
My pleasure, my pleasure. We want to make sure that you have a good time. Yes, we have been renovated again this year, 2 floors, 114 rooms and suites, and we're going to have another renovation next year in the first quarter. We can only do it in the first quarter because otherwise business is too good to us, and we cannot afford to to lose money while we spend money. So we can only renovate when the business allows us to take the rooms out of the inventory. This is usually the first quarter.
Well, it is a lovely room, and it's a beautiful location right here on the square with we call it the Budapest Eye here.
Yeah,
it's a beautiful Ferris wheel outside. Talk a little bit about the dining product, which I don't think you've updated, but it's a really wonderful set of restaurants you have here.
Yeah, we have a wonderful set of restaurants. We call this the Gastronomic Quarter Downtown Budapest, and it's our very own Age Bistro. It is Age Daily. It is the living room. It's Blue Fox the bar. If you have time for a drink, please go.
Okay.
After 10:30 in the evening. It's a very lively place, always packed. And of course we have Novo in this hotel, which is a partnership, and we are very proud to have them here within the premises. And I think Novo is nicely adding to our brand as much as we add to their brand. So it's a nice, good cooperation since 10 years. Everybody happy. Yeah, and we are indeed here, I can say this, humbly say this, we are really a trendsetter in gastronomy in the city. We are very lifestyleish hotels. 2/3, 65% of our restaurant guests are coming from outside, local people or visitors, not hotel people, and we're doing extremely well in the gastronomy.
And of course, you have a marvelous spa as well here, right?
We have a nice spa. Small is beautiful. It is not too big, but it's very nice. We have 5 treatment rooms, and we offer anything you can expect in a 5-star hotel in a spa. Everything.
Now, you said last year was a great year here to Budapest.
Yeah.
Tell me a little bit why that might happen.
Well, last year was exceptional. I must really say the last 4 years were good, and year on year we improved our numbers and our performance, and last year was outperforming everything which had happened in the past. This year will be a good year, and Budapest is still very interesting. Budapest is booming, is one of the most exciting cities, secondary capitals in Europe. People come here to experience Europe. We have a lot of business from what we call blue markets, which is India, which is China, which is Southeast Asia. In the meantime, we have also the direct connections coming from Shanghai, coming from Beijing. Of course, we have Dubai every day. And now, since a couple of months, we also have New York and Chicago daily, which brings us additional business from this part of the world. So we are very happy, and I think that the hype in and about Budapest will continue for a few more years. But we're also getting more hotels. This is also our problem.
Okay.
Yes, developers have shown great interest lately.
Success is sometimes
Success is sometimes very difficult, and we're getting a lot of new hotels in competition. But as I said, always we are here. The others have to come.
Yeah, and of course the river cruise market has been booming. Even though last year we had the little problem with the water levels, but I think it was a great year overall for river cruising, and this year has been a little more challenging, but still, I mean, we were out on the river just prior to this, and boy, you can't. There are a lot of river ships out there.
Oh yeah, this is a huge business, and this business is also a very expensive business. I think in the high season we have 60 vessels a week coming to this city. There's not enough actually space at the banks of the river to allow them to arrive at the same time. And river cruise business is amazing. It's amazing, and we participate in this greatly because we have post and pre-stays, and we are a big partner of one of the main American river cruise companies, and we are very happy about this business. Last year was Well, the bad news for the passengers was the good news for us, because the river didn't have enough water, or carry not enough water to bring the vessels to Budapest, so they had to stay with us for a few more nights.
And that isn't the worst. That isn't the worst thing, though.
It was not the worst thing for them, but it was, for us it was a very lucky situation. The summer was too hot last year. The river was not carrying enough water.
Yeah. Well, and I always recommend to anybody who's doing a river cruise, please come here early, stay here late, enjoy Budapest at your hotel. It's just a great way, because you will see a lot of Budapest, obviously, on the river cruise tour, but you will see so much more if you actually spend a couple of days here, right?
With pleasure. We are here. We wait for you.
Okay.
And your customers.
Well, Stephan, thank you very much. I look forward to seeing you at conferences in the future, and hopefully back in Budapest very soon.
Same here. My pleasure. Thank you, James.
I'm James Shillinglaw, and this is Insider Travel Report.